Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the sports order in the menu on the Flashscore application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down and go to the other section. And here you can find the third option, the change sport order in the menu. And if you want to add the other sports to the popular sports button, just click to the star. For example, if you want to add the boxing, just click to the next star and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.